Initially, we weren't sure what to expect. We began very quickly to survey our students. Even though it was spring break, faculty went into an immediate response mode in terms of communicating with students to determine needs, to refer them to the appropriate agencies and entities should we identify needs. So even though it was spring break, faculty rose to the occasion, assessed their students, and then figured out what our next steps should be in terms of classes, tests, things like that were scheduled. Students are, and we've had a lot of questions about that. We did have to receive special approval through our provost to develop a unique plan for nursing in particular. In the School of Health Professions, we have respiratory therapy, nursing, and then kinesiology, which includes several programs. In nursing and respiratory therapy, both require delivery of all the content because that content is board testable. And we had to explain to students that there really was no content that we could eliminate to allow them to take the grade they currently had in those upper division professional programs. So we assessed the students in each cohort and we decided to move forward. And for those students who are impacted, they're able to go back and look at the recorded lectures. We're doing a Facebook Live today. We've held classes at Gadsden State. We're in a church right now, so we've had a great support from our community, from these different individuals for these agencies.
Talk about your faculty.
Oh my goodness. Our faculty are out and about right now. Dr. Gina Mabry, the department head of kinesiology, has taken the helm in organizing meal delivery for people in the community, including the volunteers, and we identified a new need this week for those that are homebound. So those particular individuals who are most likely elderly and may not have the technological resources that a lot of others have to know what's going on through social media, did not have access to hot meals. And our faculty have been instrumental in taking nursing students this week door to door, looking to identify what the needs might be. And yesterday, the most impressive story was that they identified a woman who had been eating crackers for almost a week because she lost everything when the power failed. And our students put her on the list to receive meals, and she was amazingly appreciative and so thankful that they identified her as someone that could receive the needed resources. Our students are amazing. Our students who lost, many of them who lost everything, were out in the community yesterday serving the needs of others. And I can't say enough how amazing they are to respond to such a time of need as the community and the campus has. You know, an unprecedented disaster, and they have all risen to the occasion in every department that I'm responsible for and made sure that they were volunteering. We've communicated with them, I would say daily, but we have a student you'll hear from in a bit that can expound upon that, but we've communicated with them so those that are affected know what to do, and those that were wanting to communicate and with students who had needs and volunteer knew what to do. Well, I'm excited to report that we initially canceled our 5K for next weekend, April 7th, because of all that's going on campus. But we had a huge response from the running community, and we had a group from Parker Memorial Baptist Church agree to take over the run, use it to raise funds for tornado relief for nursing, and continue it on without any of us assisting because, as you know, many of us will be here next Saturday. So that is another huge accomplishment that we have had in terms of volunteers responding to help us move past this and keep moving, because we are JSU Strong, and the particular theme for this 5K has been changed to JSU Cocky Nursing Strong. So that's been tremendous for us to keep moving forward with a tiny bit of normalcy in the midst of all this. My name is Dr. Christie Shelton, Dean of the School of Health Professions and Wellness. We are JSU Strong.